In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up eBay seller account. So let's just get straight into the video. So it is normally done when you are registering your account. So for example, you've not logged in into your account yet. Let me just go ahead and log out of my account. And now, as you can see, if I go ahead and click on sign in, and if I want to go ahead and click on create an account, this is where I can simply go ahead and enter my email, first name, surname, click on continue with email, and then there's going to be register, or you could actually choose between a personal account or a business account. When you choose the business account, it is normally the seller account, but you can also sell from your normal account. So for example, let me just go ahead and sign in into my account, and let me just go ahead and show it to you. So for example, this is my personal account, but I can also go ahead and sell through it by simply clicking on list an item on the settings, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you